Hmm. Okay, good morning to all of you. Myself, Professor Bhagyashree Lachwani from Ahmedabad Institute of Technology. Today we are here for the subject data structure, and in that we are going to cover a topic that is infix to postfix conversion. Now, uh, what is infix expressions? What is postfix expression? Let us first understand that. And what is the need for converting an infix to postfix? As we have discussed, there are a number of applications of this track. So one of the application was that is conversion from infix to postfix. That is, in simple words, we can say the conversion of expressions. Now expression conversion can be infix to postfix, infix to prefix, and like a way. So one of the application of this track is that is the convergence from arithmetic expressions that can be from infix to prefix or infix to postfix. So in the today's session, we will cover a topic that is infix to postfix. First of all, what is infix expressions? Infix expression have a syntax like between two operands, there will be an operator. Like here we can see A plus B. A is an operand 1, B is an operand 2, and plus is an operator. So between two operands, there will be one operator. And what is postfix expression? First, the two operands will come. That means operand 1, operand 2, and then after the operator will come. So AB plus will be considered as, we can say, the postfix expression. Okay. Now, what are the rules when we are converting from infix to postfix expression? Okay. Basically, these are the rules that you have to keep in mind. After that, we will do the algorithm as well. See, here we are using a stack. Okay. So in the stack, what rules we have to first follow, that we will discuss as a brief introduction. First, we will use a stack. Whenever operand is coming, operand means what? A, B, C, D, or if your expression is the numerical, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, this will be considered as an operand. So whenever any operand is coming, just output it. When an operator, second rule, when an operator is coming, operator, that means plus, minus, multiplication, division, and exponential, like way, at the time what you have to do, just read the statement. You have to pop until the top of the stack has a lower precedence. That means, just take an example. Already in your stack you are having minus, and now the new upcoming operator is multiplication. Multiplication have the higher precedence, and minus, that is subtraction, has the lower. So what you have to do, you have to just pop up the subtraction, because subtraction have the lower precedence. So pop until the top of the stack has an element that has the lower precedence. At that time you have to pop the minus and just put star, that is the multiplication, in the stack, and at the output you have to put the minus. Then what you have to push, see, two basic operations we will perform: push and pop. Push means you will insert an item into the stack, and pop means you will discard the item from the stack. And what is the push? What you have to push actually, when there is a closing bracket, when you will find a closing bracket, just pop until you will find the matching starting. That means whenever you will finding the closing bracket, you have to pop all the elements till you will find the next upcoming starting bracket. Okay. Always remember, starting bracket have the lower precedence in the stack. Always. Whenever you are going to start a bracket, that have the lower precedence. But the higher precedence when in the input. But whenever you are considering, see here, two types of inputs you are having: input and stack input. So you have to work with the both the inputs. Okay. Starting bracket have the lower precedence in the stack, but whenever you are communicating with the input, at that time this has the higher precedence. Okay. And when you will reach the end of the input, pop until all the stack is empty. This one about the rules. Now the algorithm will be there. Just we will go through once the algorithm, then we will do an example, so it will be more clear to all of you. Basically we are having two types of expressions. One expression we can say it as an x, and second expression we can say it as an y. X expression is the infix expression that is given input to us, and whatever we are converting from x to y, that is from infix to postfix, that is y. That means we will convert from x to y. Okay. What are the rules for that? Basically rules we haven't listed, just we are writing that rules in the form of the algorithm now. Okay. So first we will push, by self. Okay, this bracket is not given to you, but for the indication purpose, like we are starting our expression, we will put on self the starting bracket onto the stack, and add this at the end of the stack. That is, first starting bracket will be the starting of the string, and closing bracket will be the closing, that is the ending of the string. We will put ourself, it is not given in our expression, step number 1. Okay, what is the step number 2? We have to scan the whole expression from left to right manner. We will scan the whole x from left to right and repeat the steps 3 to 6 until all the elements in the stack has been empty. That means 3 to 6 are the most important steps for our algorithm. Now, what are 3 to 6 steps? We will see it. First, step number 3. If the operand is encountered, that means whenever operand is coming, then no need for the comparison. Directly you can add it to the postfix expression, that is y. Next rule, if the left parenthesis is encountered, just push it onto the stack. You have to put it onto the stack. No need to directly add into the postfix expression, that is y. That means whenever the left parenthesis is coming, just push it into the stack. Next operator, see what you have to do is you have to basically work with the fifth step. That is, whenever any new operator is coming, so what you have to do, you have to first step repeatedly pop from the stack and add to y for the each operator. That means repeatedly you have to pop the elements that are present in the stack and just add it to the postfix expression which has the same precedence or the higher precedence. We will do the example, then it will be more clear to you. And next step for the operator is add the operator to the stack. One by one you have to add, and if the higher precedence or the same precedence operator will be there, you have to move it to the white, that is the postfix. Now, once we have done with the operand, we have done with the operator. Now, if the right parenthesis, that means ending of the expression is coming at that time, repeatedly pop from the stack and add it to the postfix for the each operator. Okay, and remove the left parenthesis, ending of the algorithm. Now we will see one example, so it will be more clear to you. Expression is given to us a plus b in the bracket b star c minus again in the bracket d division e and exponential operator f bracket over multiplication with g multiplication with h. See, this is the tabular format that you have to make for each and every example. First, that is the which symbol you are working with. So symbol, then scanned, what operator or operand you are scanning, what is the stack contain, what is the postfix expression, and what is the in any comments you want to write. So one by one we will take. First we will take automatic by self starting bracket, that means an indication we are starting our expression. First we will scan a, first operators a. Now a is an operand, so directly we will shift it to the postfix a. Next time plus is coming, plus, so plus, what was the rule for the operator? You have to shift the operator in the stack. That means just see the step number 3, symbol 3. A will be scanned, and in the stack we will putting starting bracket and plus, and postfix expression will be a only. Next time we will scan the again starting bracket. So starting bracket, it is again an operator, so we will just put it. See what was the rule for the operator? You have to push all the operators in the stack until lower precedence operators will be there. Until, as we have discussed, starting bracket have the lowest precedence, that means you have to put as it is. Okay, so again starting bracket is coming, that means you have to put in the stack as it is. So just starting bracket we will put into the stack as it is. So again starting bracket plus starting bracket, and postfix has the only a. Next time b is coming. Now b is an operand, that means directly we have to shift it to the postfix. So now the postfix has the ab. Again star is coming. Now star, directly we can use it into the stack. Postfix have same like ab. C is coming, it is an operand, so we have to directly push it into the postfix, that is abc. Next minus is coming. Now see, precedence of minus have lower than the precedence of star. That means previously the higher precedence will be in the stack, top of the stack, and now the lower precedence operator is coming. So at that time you have to pop the higher precedence from the stack. So now just see abc star. That means what is the need for it? multiplication have the higher precedence than the subtraction. Just read the description. So now the stack content will be starting bracket plus starting bracket minus. Next time again starting bracket is coming, that means operator is coming, so we will just shift it onto the stack. Postfix expression will be abc star. Next time d is coming, it is an operand, so no need for the calculation. Directly we will move it to the postfix expression. So abc star d, then division is coming, so directly operator, that means we will put it into the stack. Again e is coming, so no need for the calculation, we will directly move it to the postfix. Exponential is coming. Exponential have the higher precedence, so it will be again will be the top of the stack after the division. See, if there is a lower precedence operator, then we have to pop the symbol from the stack, but whatever new symbol we are inserting have the higher precedence, that means we will put it onto the stack. So multiplication we will put on the top of the stack, and postfix expression will be as it is. Next time we will take f. F is an operand, so directly we will shift it to the postfix, then closing bracket. Now, this is the main step of the algorithm. When the closing bracket is coming, that means you have to pop all the operators from the stack, top of the stack, that have till you are encountering the starting bracket. That means first you have to pop exponential. So now expression will be abc star def exponential. Again another operator will be there, that is slash. So abc star def exponential slash. What is the need? Because the rule was if closing bracket is coming, so you have to pop all the operators till the starting bracket is coming. That means pop from the top of the stack. That's why exponential will come first, and after that the division will come. Then multiplication will be there. Now multiplication have the higher precedence than subtraction, so we will put it into the stack. Remaining postfix will be as it is. G is coming next. G is an operand, so directly we will shift it to the stack contain. Closing bracket is coming. Closing, that means the rule is till starting bracket will be there, you have to pop all the operators from the stack. So first multiplication will be moved out, then subtraction, and starting bracket will be popped up. Okay, then multiplication is coming. Now multiplication have the higher precedence than plus, so multiplication we will put onto the stack. Postfix will be as it is. Then h is coming. H is an operand, that means directly we will shift it to the postfix notation. Then closing bracket, that means it is an indication whatever operator will be there into the stack, that you have to shift on the postfix. So first we will shift multiplication, then we will shift plus and starting. That means starting and closing brackets will be popped out, so stack content will be now empty, and ending of the string. So this was about the final postfix notation for the corresponding infix. So the rules were, you have to scan from left to right. If the operands are coming, just shift it onto the stack. If operators are coming, new upcoming operator, if have the higher precedence, then you have to shift that. If it has a lower precedence, then higher will be as it is. And if the closing bracket is coming, so till the opening bracket will be there, you have to shift all the operators from stack to postfix expression. So this was about the rules and example of conversion from infix to postfix. Hope this is clear to all of you. Thank you for watching.